Welcome back to our channel. Meet the Renogy 12V Power Bank, your ultimate portable power solution for life on the go. Whether you're camping off-grid, charging your drone, or keeping your camera powered on a road trip, this compact yet powerful device ensures you'll never run out of energy. Designed with durability, versatility, and safety in mind, the Renogy 12V Power Bank is the perfect companion for adventurers, creators, and everyday users alike. High-capacity battery, packing 72,000 mAh or 266 Wh of power, this unit can charge your smartphone up to 10 times, a laptop up to 4 times, or power small appliances like mini fans and lights. It's the perfect balance between power and portability. Multiple output ports, equipped with USB-A, USB-C, DC, and even a cigarette lighter socket, this power bank supports a wide range of devices, from laptops and drones to CPAP machines and camping gear. Simultaneously charge multiple devices with no problem. Faster recharging provides extended runtime for charging up to 5 devices simultaneously. Recharge the battery pack at full speed via a solar panel with advanced battery management system ensures efficient and safe charging, achieving up to 90% conversion rate. Travel-friendly and portable design, durable, compact, and easy to carry. The hard shell and sleek design make this ideal for outdoor adventures, bug-out bags, and glove compartments. A compact powerhouse, ready for rough conditions. If you like to travel, then you can get power easily with this power bank. Solar charging compatible, pair it with a Renogy 100W solar panel and you've got a renewable power source anytime, anywhere. Go fully off-grid or recharge during emergencies using nothing but sunlight. CPAP power anywhere, whether you're camping, living van life, traveling with a CPAP, or preparing for outages, the Renogy Power Bank has your back. It's a clean, silent alternative to gas generators and a step above standard power banks. The Tory Burch Women's Mini Miller Crossbody Bag proves that small truly can be powerful. If you're looking for a bag that elevates your every moment from casual coffee runs to classy evenings, this is the one that defines your style story. Every inch of space is optimized for effortless organization. Product link in the video description. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.